Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact support for the Moltbot AI. If you are facing issues with Moltbot AI such as login problems, setup error, features confusion or technical bugs, contacting the right support channel is the best way to get help. Since Moltbot is an AI source-based platform, support is provided through the official contact options and community resources. So first, the most direct way to reach Moltbot AI support is through email, or you can simply reach out to the Moltbot AI app here. And once you reach into this interface, on the top left we can see there's a three-line icon. Select there. Over here we can see just below the share there's a contact us icon. Select there, and over here what you can do is simply type down your subject, what issues that you're facing, and over here and simply type down your issue as well. Clearly explain the problem that you're facing. When the issue started, any error messages you see, the device or the platform that you are using. Providing detailed information helps the support team respond faster and more accurately, and after that you can simply send it. And contacting Moltbot AI support is simple if you use the right channel. For general issues, email and website help pages work the best. For technical problem, and by clearly explaining your issue, you can get faster and more accurate assistance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.